Hello techies. In this session, we will test our knowledge on PL500 exam. Alright, what is the PL500 question over here? You develop Power Automate flows for a company. You need to help users locate and run the flows. Where should you direct users to find the flows? If you see the requirement, I'm having two requirements over here. First requirement about send a copy, another one share button from the portal. Before answering the question, we will understand about send a copy of a Cloudflow and how to share a Cloudflow in brief. Let me switch to the browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. There inside my menu, I am having my flows. Let's click on my flows. Once you click on that, we will find Cloudflows, desktop flows shared with me. Now, we will learn about send a copy feature. If we have a flow that we want other people in our organization to create copies of the flow, in that case, we are going to use send a copy feature, which is available in Power Automate. Now, I'm having Cloudflows over here on my screen. I'm going to select sensitive information. I want to send a copy of this Cloudflow with others in my organization. So how can I go ahead and do that? I'm going to click on more commands and then I'm going to click on send a copy. What is this send a copy? Sending a copy of a flow means that recipients will be able to create their own copies of the original flow. There you can see I am having title, that is sensitive information, and the description I will give it as sensitive information of personal details. I'm just going to give the description like that. And then send to, this is the important. People in your organization will be able to create of this flow, to whom I have to send a copy of this Cloudflow. I'm going to give my colleague name and then I'm going to click on send. Before sending the flow as a copy, the flow must have at least one successful run since the last time we have updated the flow. This helps to ensure that the flow will work for anyone that we are going to send it. And also it is important that you remove any personal information from the flow before sending it out. Especially after you share the flow as a copy, the copy cannot be retracted. Now the flow successfully sent as a copy, recipients will be able to create their own instances of this flow. Now let me switch to the browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. And again I have logged in with my recipient's credentials. Now what we have done, we have sent a copy of a particular Cloudflow to the recipient, right? Where we'll find that Cloudflow at the recipient side. Now let's click on the template and there you will find I am having all templates, topics shared with me, remote work and many more tabs, right? Now I have already shared with the recipient, right? So that I will find inside my templates, I will go for the share with me and there you can see the sensitive information, the Cloudflow which the original user has shared, right? That copy is available inside my share with me tab inside my templates. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can create n number of flows from the original flow. All right. Now as a second part of this session, we are going to learn about sharing a Cloudflow. How can we go ahead and share a Cloudflow? There you can see I'm going to select incoming orders and I'm going to select more commands and there you can find an option called share. Let's click on share. By sharing a Cloudflow with others and guest users in the organization, they can also get the benefits from the automation what we have created. There are three primary ways to share a Cloudflow in Power Automate. One is add a owner to the Cloudflow. Second one, share a Cloudflow with run-only privileges. And third one, share a copy of the Cloudflow. Right now, I'm going to share this Cloudflow by adding a user or a group of owners. I'm going to give my colleague name and then I'm going to give it as before you share, make sure you are only adding co-owners you trust. You are sharing permissions to use connections below and change the action flow can take. I'm going to click on OK. Now the Cloudflow has shared successfully with my co-owner. Right now, let me switch to the co-owner. Now we'll see where the recipients will locate these Cloudflows. Right. I'm going to click on my flows and there you can see I'm having Cloudflows, desktop flows and shared with me. Now where we'll find this shared Cloudflows? Inside my flows, I will find shared with me. Let's click on that. There you can see I have shared with my co-owner, that is incoming orders. There you will find the cloud flow inside my shared with me, that is my flows. All right. Now let's go back to the PL500 question. And if you see the requirement, you select the send a copy button from the flow portal to send the flow to the business users group. There are three values has been given. One is that the solution page, the shared with me tab of the my flows page, the shared with me tab of the templates page. These are the three values given for a send copy. Which one is correct? There you can say I'm going to send a copy button, right? In that case, it will be in the templates page. The correct value is that the shared with me tab of the template page. That is the correct answer for the send a copy. Now coming to the another requirement, you select the share button from the portal to share the flow with the business users. What is the location where the users will get it? There again three values that we are having, that is the same as is of the previous one. Now you can see the shared with me tab of my flows page, right? For the shared button, we will get the shared with me tab of the my flows page. Let me reveal the answer. There you can see for the first requirement, send a copy, that will be available in the shared with me tab of the templates page. Now for the second requirement, share button for the share the flow with business users, that will be available the shared with me tab of the my flows page. All right. I hope you understand how to send a copy of a Cloudflow, and also we have seen how to share a Cloudflow as part of this tutorial.